Okay, we got everything ready here. See, we've taken this out in here so our string won't catch when it goes up through here. Got this part taken out in here for our spring. Taking a little bit out in here so when we put our hook in there it won't hit the top. So what we're going to work on now, we want to drill these eyes out. So be sure you put the back of the head in before you put it in your vise, or you have a chance of splitting your head. So I'm going to use a 5/8 inch drill bit here, and we're going to cut the center of the eyes out. Enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, be sure to put them in my comment section and I'll get back with you. So we got the eyes drilled. What we need to do is we're going to go in here and we have to take a lot of this out in here. So we can get it down to where our eyes are going to sit, where we need them to sit in here. So we're going to go to the inside, take some of that out first, then we'll come to the outside. You want to make sure is where you made your round for the eye, you don't want to go beyond that or your eye's going to fall through. Then you're going to have to make adjustments on it. So we're going to work on that next, and then we'll come back. Thanks for watching.